10 important sentences you must know while traveling. Where is the nearest airport, train station, or bus stop? How much does a ticket to destination cost? Can you recommend a good restaurant or hotel nearby? Could you please help me to find a taxi or car rental services? Is there a local tour guide who speaks English? What are the must-see attractions in this country or city? What is the best way to get to place of interest using public transportation? Excuse me, do you speak English? How do I get to landmark or place of interest from here? Is there a direct flight, train, or bus to the destination? Please like this video if the video was helpful for you guys. Please press the bell icon and hit the subscribe button so that you can get our videos on daily basis. Stay tuned.